Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make a stop motion video with a phone. So here the device that I use is iPhone XR, and the thing that you need to do now is just go access your camera, and then you just need to slide and then go open your camera. If your camera is in a like 4:3 ratio, you need to change it become like 16:9 by clicking this rose here. And after that, just need to go click this part and change from 4 to 3 into 16 and 9. And after that, you just need to adjusting the position and make sure that you use a tripod so that your camera will be stable and no like extra movement on it. And after that, make sure that your phone is stay in the same position. And for the next thing, you just need to placing the object that you want to take use for stop motion video. So here I would like to use this tissue box. So I would like to make this tissue boxes like walking around on the table. So you just need to put the first positions on the first spot and go take the picture of the photo. This is the first picture, and after that go another place of the boxes and go another picture again. Just do the same, go extras, put the spot, take a picture, take into another spot, take a picture, and the more picture that you get, it will also creating the better stop motions video on your phone. So you just need to do this manually. Believe me, it doesn't take that too long time. Okay, and now you just need to follow everything. Okay, and that's the last part. And now we just need to move into application, and we need to help of the CapCut. So you just need to add the CapCut or open the CapCut and create the new project. And in this new project, jump into the photos, and you just need to select all of the photos that you already take before, like all of the photos that we already take before. Okay, and after that you just need to go click add. And now you already have like a lot of pictures here, and I will make sure. And now the things that you have to do is just go like slide this part into the left side to make it shorter duration. Make sure that you got like 0.5, and just do the same for all of the photo that you already put on your project. And do a test. Okay, 0.5 is quite good, so just continue the work for the whole photo clip that you already add into your project. Almost there, guys, so hold on. Okay, I think I would like to make it fast. Just do the same and repetition work for this. And this is the last clip, and here we are already here, and then this is the result for your stop motions video. So that's the way how to create a stop motions video with only your phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.